What's going on, drivers? It's Jay Rich back again. CB antenna grounding. This actually really works. This is the way I should have done it from the get-go, but I was trying to stay up here with the factory location on top of the mirror, and it really didn't work. I couldn't get it to ground. I've tried 2 or 3 different times, so I'm just going to skip ahead and call this round 2 of CB antenna grounding. So let's take a look at it. Before we get into it, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate you guys. Stay with me. All right, so here we are, guys. It's a 6-foot skip shooter is what I'm running now instead of the Wilson 2000s that I had. Just a truck stop bought mirror mount with a Wilson 2000 stainless antenna mount. My own coax that goes in the mirror, then back in the hoop, back in the door. It's ran just like factory, and I'll put a link to that video in the description. Custom made 4-gauge ground cable. I got the cable off of Amazon and the lugs and the heat shrink, and it's soldered and all that. It's a tight fit, but you can fit it through here. Don't recommend anything bigger than 4-gauge because it doesn't fit. Comes down this plastic into here, and then under the floor there's a bolt right there that's got this ground cable that runs down to the frame. And how you get in there to that bolt is you will have to remove this plate, then you will have to remove this kick panel, and there is a bolt back in here where your wiring harness comes down and all the stuff grounds to it right there. Like I said, you'll see how to do that in the custom coax install. But the only thing I don't like about this setup is that you're seeing all these wires, the coax, the zip ties, the ground cable. But yeah, 6-foot antenna, it's way up there. It's above the cab, it's above the mirrors. It's working great. So let's go back to FaceTime and talk about it for another second. All right, guys, there it is now. Like I said, I am going to put a link down in the description that'll show you how to remove the kick panel and all that, and to remove the custom coax. And as a bonus feature, I'm going to put the other video that I made down in the description of my antenna grounding for this truck that did not work. So that will show you how not to do it. It helped, but not near as good as this helps. So I'm Jay Rich. Thanks for watching. Keep your D's in the breeze and the shiny side up. We'll be seeing you.